Good morning, it's Nigel at Weather Modification Watch New Zealand on the 10th of October at 7:18 AM, and looks like the weather's going to be a bit better today for most of the country. This lot of weather modification that has come over has actually run its course, and in a couple of days this one here is going to be pushed over New Zealand. And I just want to show you here the very clear EMF that's been done on this to actually bring it around and alter it so that it will hit New Zealand absolutely. And in the beginning we see that you can see these very straight lines here, and this here is actually a sawtooth wave. I'll show you in the next one, you'll see it's clearer. There it goes. You might have to take this up to full screen to see it, because there's other cloud in there as well. There it goes there, and it comes right through there. Okay, and then so what they do is they seem to switch between the two of sawtooth and what would that be, sine wave, I guess, which is a circular. And here we've got the sawtooth there. It's certainly showing up there. There it is more clearly. Boom, 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 straight through there. Okay. Now it goes. It's going a more circular sine wave. And then we get it back into the angles again. Right? And there's an angle there showing very clearly. And here pretty much. And then we're almost back at the circular thing again. Yeah, definitely that's going circular. You see? Very circular. And that will switch back. This is at 4 AM, and it'll switch back over to sawtooth, no doubt. But it switches between the two. They play one wave and then switch it over to the other, and by doing that, somehow or another, they can push these weather patterns around. And that is going to come, and there'll be more work of it over here probably, and it'll push it straight in around here, I guess, or it might just go straight up. That to be seen. And so that is the weather that's just going to come in the next probably in about a day, or the next day or two. Okay, and then over the Cook Strait we see a chemtrail here. That's at 8 o'clock in the morning. And then there was a couple more I saw. This looks like one here. These are 1 hour in between each of these photos, so it's quite hard to pick them up, because if it's done at the beginning of the hour, then by the end of the hour like this, it's quite dispersed. Okay, but you can see also, this is what I was talking about in my video yesterday, which is there's a clear patch around here which shows an EMF stamp. Whoopsie. A square pattern there, right? More or less square. Okay, and we go on, and it looks like another chemtrail there. I'm not sure, but you'll see there. There we go. Definite one there. So that's two definite ones at least. And then there's another one later on here that shows up. There it is, and there he is here. 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and you can see how long that's hanging around. 7 o'clock. It's been there for from 4 it starts, 5, 6, 7. So 3 hours, over 3 hours, it's there. And notice how pronounced that is. This is on the infrared, by the way. Oh no, that's visible. Yeah, okay. So it's visible. Visible radar. So all this other cloud is quite dark. This is very bright. I would say that this is up higher, which is why it's showing up so bright at such a time as 7 o'clock. And it's close off there. And we haven't got anything for this morning yet, but there are these chemtrails over that area. So they're actually dispersing more nanoparticles of barium, strontium, fluoride, whatever it is that they're dropping, aluminium, to make this area more conductive. So we could assume that generally, looking at this, all this work being done here, that this front here is going to be aimed straight at that, which looks pretty much like that's where it's heading anyway. So they do these waves, the sawtooth wave and the circular sine wave here, and then they do the EMF, the chemtrails, and then EMF kind of stamps here to actually work on it from this end to assure that this thing is going to go straight over that area. I wouldn't be surprised if we get quite a bit of rain from this in the Nelson Marlborough area. Just a guess. Okay, that's me for today. Have a nice day. This is Nigel at Weather Modification Watch New Zealand checking out.